Hi all, welcome back to the new session of MS Excel 365 formulas series where daily we are learning a new different formula. In today's videos also we are going to learn is a new formula that is called minutes. So my name is Sachin guys, and uh, in nowadays series we are learning date and time formulas. Here in this video also we are going to learn this minute formula that is also like a date and time formula kind of. So we'll start, guys. First, we'll see the description of this formula. What it says: the formula says returns the minute a number from 0 to 59. Because as we are aware, like there are 60 minutes in a particular hour, so it will give you the return based on this number and all. So we'll see how we can check it out. I'm simply giving here the time. If I'm putting this minute formula here, I can simply getting 31. So this is the basic uses of this formula. Like we'll get a particular minute by putting this minute formula. But if you see the other way around, if I want to pull the minutes based on the different types of time, like 10:30 a.m., 10:40 with seconds also, and 24-hour format, and decimal points also, and then this serial number and all, then date. There are multiple things. So if I am applying this minute formula here, it is directly capturing this 30. In the same way, by this hour, minutes, and second, still it is capturing only 40 minutes only. And in the 24-hour format also, it is taking 10 minutes. But if you are coming here, like from point 2 to, it is capturing only 20. This is because like this is the proportionate of this minutes, and that's how we are getting this 20 here. And this is the serial number, and based on the serial number we are getting this 30, because as we are aware, this number also represent the date only. If we are going here and converting to short date or long date something, we are getting this. So it is like a date only, but if you are converting to number, so it is also like same. Now coming to this part, here if we go, this is the date format only, no time and all mentioned here, so that's why we are getting 0 here. And in the next example we are having both date and time also, so still we are able to capture this minutes only. And when we put time as a text format, and still in that scenario also we'll be able to get 30 only. And if we want to get the current minute, simply we can blend this minute formula with the now. For example, I can put it right now also. Now bracket close for minute formula, and simply we are getting this 34. And this is like a dynamic formula also, like we can get our output in a real time basis. Now coming to the second uses of this formula. For example, this is the given series of time and all. We want to get a particular new time, and the how to say, the minutes should be inconsistent with this time value, but the hours that we are going to make is different. As we have learned in our last videos, like first in time formula we're supposed to give first hour, then minute, then second. In the same way what I have done, I am giving the 7 here because 7 o'clock time I want. And after that I am taking the minutes from this time value sheet, time value column. And in place of second I'm putting 0. I don't want like seconds and all. So that's why I put this formula. I have dragged it down, so it is capturing the time as 7. It is capturing hour as 7, and along with that it is capturing the minutes as 30 based on this series. And coming to the next function, like practical uses of this minute formula. For example, in this given sheet, we are having there are many times, but here I want a particular time where the time should not exceed by 30. If it is exceed by 30 minutes, then we are supposed to get our result as 0. So I have blended this formula with if formula. So simply I can put, like, if the minutes of B5, this is B5, is greater than 30, sorry, less than 30, then a result should be B5, otherwise it should be 6. So in the same way I am getting this result, or the other way around, if I am putting here the greater than sign, I can change my result also. See, so one more what to say, different uses of this formula we can see here. For example, in this current sheet we are having the time start date, and we are supposed to, like, get a time where the required time should be this much. For example, now is 10:30, and after that this time work required to be completed within a 30 minute, then my time end should be 11 o'clock, like that. So in that manner, we can use this formula in a practical scenario. So what formula I have given, I can simply get the time from this date and time. I can put time formula, and R I can get from this B5 cell only, and required minute I can take from this itself, because this is the base for getting the time ends, and the required time I can add here directly. Or I can simply give you this formula. For example, I want r comma minute I want to take from here itself, bracket close, plus I want the required time also, comma second I can take from here itself, or I can take put as 0 also, bracket close and enter. Where I, sorry, I forgot to capture this. I forgot to capture here the R formula also, because I need to give R also from this sheet. So that's why I was unable to get our result. So in that manner, we can get our results. I can simply drag it down. So these were the couple of like practical uses of this minute formula that we can use. And for the second formula also, we will see in the next video. So hope you like the session, guys. Thanks for watching. Keep like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon also. And stay tuned. We'll get back to you in the new session with a new different formula, where we'll see the practical uses of that particular formula. So thank you, guys.